of dreams. We didn't have much but a radio. Music came from places we'd never been. Growing up in a prairie town, learning to drive in the snow. Not much to do, so you start a band. Soon you've gone as far as you can go. Winter nights are long, summer days are gone. Portage and Maine 50 below. Springtime melts the snow, rivers overflow. Portage and Maine 50 below. All the bands in a prairie town tried to outdo the next in line, learning records out of Liverpool, dreams of England on their minds. On the other side of Winnipeg, Neil and the Squires played the zone. But then he went to play for a while in Thunder Bay. He never looked back and he's never coming home. Winter nights are long, summer days are gone. Portage and Maine 50 below. Springtime melts the snow, rivers overflow. Portage and Maine 50 below. Portage and Maine 50 below. Just a band from a prairie town. Sometimes we drive from coast to coast. One call from LA and we pack and fly away. But in our hearts we're always prairie folks. Looking back at a prairie town, people ask me why I went away. To fly with the best, sometimes you have to leave the nest. But the prairies made me what I am today. Winter nights are long, summer days are gone. Portage and Maine 50